Hello viewers, in this video I will show how to change your cursor colorful and smaller bigger. So we can see plan and working. First change cursor color. So I can change cursor color. Go to start button, click on start button and click on setting. Find easy of access and click on easy of access. Find mouse pointer and click on mouse pointer. See that 7 color suggested pointer color, 7 color. Click and wait some second and see that cursor color is changed. Click green and see that cursor color change green. You can try 1, 2 or 7 color. This is default white color. You can click and see that change cursor white color. And second option, pick any color. Pick any color. Custom, you can click custom and pick a custom pointer color. Click on plus icon. Select circle and select your choices color. Choose your favorite color and select value. Click on done. See that cursor color is changed. This is cursor color. And third, cursor is smaller and bigger. This is the rule of cursor is smaller and bigger. Turn on cursor left side. Cursor will be smaller and turn on bar right side. Cursor will be bigger, more bigger and smaller. So you can change your cursor easily and very simply. You can see that before no changing custom color, we can find 7 color. When I change custom color cursor, we can find 8 suggested color, 1 color increasing. You can choose any color in this circle and just click on done and done your cursor. See that my cursor color is changing. So easily you can change your cursor color and smaller, bigger.